Hey guys, this is Akash. Today I will show you about iPhone X UI kit which I made for you. Let us start. First, you need to install a font, Montserrat, and here are some icons and a keyboard, some standard components. First, I will start with question and answer types. So if there is a question, you will have multiple options. Okay, these are some text inputs. Next, card types. List types. Navigation bar types. Tab bar. Toolbar. Alert types. Datepicker. You have both calendar as well as time. Actionsheet. So these are some standard components. Let us talk about quick elements. You have badge, buttons, range, slides, maps, music player, and various other elements. And I also kept some logos here. As you can see, you can pick. I also kept some beautiful backgrounds which you can use. And these are some ready login screens. Okay, so for this file, I have kept the link below the video so you can download from there. And thank you very much. Have a great day.